Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you all? Today I am going to start the new one about jobs, job hunting. Now you will find out the jobs in Pakistan and Middle East countries and in Europe, right? Now today I am starting from the Middle East country UAE job of teaching line and administration line. Now, if you write here Arab Unity Schools.ae, you will find out career there, contact and career. Now there are different type of vacancies inside that one. Now IT support, network engineer is there for support, and after that position of mathematics teacher, mechanics, economics teacher, and physics. Now, from this one primary section, the position of class teacher, position of ICT teacher, position of Arabic teacher, and also the moral science teacher, English teacher, and maths teacher, and also science, and also that one Islamic study HODs. Now, secondary inside that one secondary store, secondary teacher, Arabic Islamic teacher, mathematics teacher, physics teachers, and also you will find out the IC teacher, physics teachers, extracurricular coordinator, specialization in that one specialize in the physical education. Now in a special education teacher it is needed and learning support. If you want to apply, if you want to submit your CV application, you write your name and also the last name, phone number, email address, and which post you want to apply and give the message, and you will submit and also upload your CV and apply now. If you click here and it will come these things, right? Which post you want to apply, you can. Okay, subscribe my channel, you will find out the lots of job inside that one. Okay, Allah Hafiz and take care by yourself. I will make other video for you, inshallah.